Assalamu alaikum students, I am your teacher Hafsa from Modern Language School I-10 campus. Today we are revised our maths work. So we have two books over here, first worksheet and second is workbook. The worksheet book is your homework book and the workbook is your classwork book. Now open your page number 10 from workbook. Now top of the page you mention Friday and the date over here we already learned. Actually we are revising our maths work, so we revised our maths work is today, so the day is 4th June 2020. Now mention the classwork of the top over here, right? Very good. Read the statement of the top. Write and say the number. Write and say the number. We are going to revise with number 1. Number 1 is very first number of counting. Repeat after me. 1. 1. 1. Did you know that number 1 is super easy to write? Pay attention. Don't look here and there. Write number 1. What we need? Standing line. What we need is standing line. What we need is standing line. So we are going to write number 1, standing line. Standing line down. Very good. Standing line down and say number 1. Standing line down. Number 1. It is so easy. Want to write the number? We start at the top to make a straight line down. The top and make a straight line down. Now I am going to give an example. Let's see. Now let's see how many candles are on the cake. How many? It's just 1. Number 1. 1 candle, the top of the cake. Very good. How many eyes has alien got? He got only 1 eye. He got only 1 eye. How many fish are there? There are 1 fish. There are 1 fish. How many ladybug we have over here? 1 ladybug. 1 ladybug. So 1 ladybug, 1 eye, 1 candle, 1 fish. Number 1. Number 1. So we have learned and revised number 1. So the next number we have a number 2. Now do you see this number? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is number 2. We have a next number is number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Very good. Now we will try to write number 2. Now a curve or a sleeping line down. Number 2. And we also can say, it's easy, round and sitting down. Number 2. Round and sitting down. Number 2. straight line down. Number 1. Now round and sitting down. Number 2. Very good. Now we have one next number is number 3. Number 3. Trace the numerical, say the number and trace and color the shape, right? So let's write number 3. You are learning very fast. By the way, now pay attention. We are going to start number 3. So backward C, backward C. Now you make a number 3. Very good. Backward C, backward C. You made the numbers 3. Last. Backward C, backward C. You made the number 3. First, we learned number 1, and second number 2, and last number 3. Very good. So I have example of 2 and 3. I'm going to show you. Now we have over here a bike, right? Do you know how many wheels there are on the bike? Let's count them. 1, 2. 1, 2. Look at those twins. They are identical. How many children are there? 1, 2. 1, 2. Right? So, do you see cherries? The red cherries? How many cherries are there? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Those flowers, how many sunflowers we have? 2 sunflowers. A smiley 2 sunflowers over here. 1 and 2. Number 2. 1 and 2. Sunflower. 1 and 2. 2 children. 1 and 2. 2 wheels. 1 and 2. 2 cherries. Now we have an example of number 3. So now we have a number 3 example. So do you see how many horns dino have? How many? He got 1, 2 and 3 horns. 1, 2 and 3 horns. He has got 3 horns. Dinosaur. 1, 2, 3. Dinosaur has 3 horns. Very good. How many lights we have over here? The traffic lights. Do you know traffic lights? Red, yellow and green. How many? We have a lights. 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Do you know how many points there are on this triangle? Yes, 3 points. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Very good. How many lollipops we have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. How many sticks we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 sticks. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So we are going to write number 3, page number 13. Write date over here, top of the page, day and homework. So count, trace, color and copy. So backward C, backward C. You made the number 3 last. Backward C, backward C. You made the number 3. Very good. Now we are going to learn or revise number 4. Worksheet page number 13. Write the number 3. Right? Worksheet page number 13. 1, 2 and 3 we learn. Now this is the number 3, 3, 3. And 3 was over here. Okay. Now we have a next number is number 4. Now again take out your workbook and page number 16. So we have a number 4. We have a number 4. You are learning very fast. So we are going to write or revise number 4. Right? Down and cross and down some more. This is the way you make a number 4. Again, down or right and down some more. This is the way you make a number 4. Down and move right and down some more. This is the way you make a number 4. Or you can also do like this. Straight line down, right? Then we get to this point. We move to the right like this. And go to this point and sleeping line down or straight line down. This is the way you write a number 4. Now we have a number 4 example. So now we have examples of number 4. How many balls we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls we have. Now how many apples are there on the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 apples on the tree. So last is how many legs this table has? 1, 2, 3, 4. He has got 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. We revised today is number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. We are placing over here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 4. Number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. We revised today 4 numbers. First 4 numbers. Thank you.